I do not have a special guest for today, and I need one. Put your name in if you'd like to join me for the members only chat. That's what we're doing. And I'm going to do my puzzles because I do them anyway. And respond in the comments below. And I'll put your name on the list so that I'm not scrambling every week at the last minute. And we'll figure it out from there. I start with the same. Uh, I had one the other day. It was not. See, there you go. I've got all my letters. Um, that's five. I've got all five. I had one the other day where I started with three letters in the right place, the A, the E, and the R. I was like, oh no. And I did not get it. I did not get it because there are a lot of words that have that pattern. I'll come back to this because I don't feel like thinking yet. Thinking requires effort. Uh, I did really good on the one the other day where there was pelt and skin. And I'm like, yeah, those two are together. Wait. Then I noticed inks and nicks or whatever. And I was like, oh, we got an anagram. Quote, peck, price, total. Damage, title, bill. Grant, author, wings, Cooper, break, webbing, wreck, synopsis, feathers. Title, bill. Well, I mean, those are documents. Document? A title is a grant. Peck. And wings go together, kind of. Webbing. Is this bird stuff? Bird stuff? Bird stuff? Bird stuff? I don't think this is it. I think it's that. Bird stuff. Good. Author. It's probably something dumb like uh, ends with Marvel hero. A Thor. A mage. A psis. An oper. Wreck. Break. Damage. Peck. I don't feel good about that. I don't feel good about that. Yeah. Wreck. Total. Here we go. Price quote title grant? I don't think so. Oh, there we go. Quote title synopsis author. There we go. Boom. So, I want to thank Jeff and Lisa for introducing me to this. This is a lot of fun. Peck. Are these accountants? Hollywood actors. Okay. I'm fine with that. Yeah, because it's how I measure my acuity on any given day. Soft skills. Text. Uh huh. Um, so, wreath would be a nice soft skill, but it's not there. Dorb. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I am reasonably pleased with, by the way, La Brea Tar Pits. La Brea means the tar pits. So the La Brea Tar Pits is the tar pits. I love it. Um, yeah, things are stressful. Hopefully, they get a little less stressful. But things are always stressful. So I have to figure out what that means, what I can do about that. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. And I don't know the answer. Maybe you guys do. Uh, no, a tram. It's definitely one. But that's not a soft skill. Uh-huh. While. Mm-hmm. Tile. That's a soft skill. Uh-huh. Ain't. Some contractions it likes, some it doesn't. It'll give you can't. How about rant? Mm-hmm. Mail. Yeah, so I don't know what we're going to be talking about today because that is the choice of my guest. So close. I don't know. Okay. I don't know. I don't know. Take a hint, I guess. Tink? I'm like, Tink, how is that a soft skill? Okay. Okay. I'm looking for double T's here for knitting. Do you see a K? That's hilarious. I've already got the K right. Crochet. I see the shay. There we go. Applique. There we go. Latch hook. That's not going to be in here. Nope. Nope. Macrame. How do you spell macrame? Well, good news. It's not here. Quilt? Textile. Art. Okay. Yeah, I just need that little kick. Embroidery. There we go. Embroider and weave. Okay. Whoopsie doodle. Weave. Now we just have to descramble. Music. Nope. Muzak. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I don't think it's Muzak. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's definitely not Muzak. Goosam. That's not a word. That's not a word. That's not a word. That's a word? That's not a word. What does that mean? Join me, won't you? Reply in the comments. Talk to you in 10 hours, noon Pacific.